Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 114, and in this episode I will talk about the software and different types of software with respect to their accessibility and availability. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this episode, I will talk about the three main points. Number one, what is software? Number two, how do a user get the software? Number three, what are the different categories of software with respect to accessibility and availability? Point number one, what is software? According to the Encyclopedia Britannica, software that tell us a computer what to do. Software comprise the entire set of program, procedure and routine associated with the operation of computer system. In other words, we can say that software is a set of programs and associated documentation and data. This is in contrast of hardware because it doesn't have physical existence and you cannot touch the software from which the system built and which actually perform the work. Sometimes software is abbreviated as SW and S/W or software. Point number two, how do you get software? For new learner or a journal user, software can be downloaded to a computer over the internet. Once downloaded, setup files are run to start the installation process on your computer or laptop. Software can be purchased at a retail computer store or online and come in a box containing all the disk drive like CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, combo drive, pen drive, external hard drive. Point number three, what are the category of software or types of software with respect to accessibility or availability? There are 5 types of software with respect to accessibility and availability. Number 1, freeware. Number 2, shareware. Number 3, open source. Number 4, closed source. Number 5, middleware. I will explain each types one by one. Type number 1, freeware. Freeware software type of proprietary software that release without charge to the general public. Freeware may be intended to benefit its producer, for example, encouraging of sale or marketing of the new software and release more effective and capable version to the possible user of this software. Number 2, shareware. Shareware is a type of a proprietary software that initially shared by the owner for trial use or on a very little cost. Often this software has limited function or incomplete documentation shared with the potential user of the market. And after the proper development, a payment-based or license-based new version is released. Number 3, open source software. Open source software, OSS, is a computer software that is released under the Creative Commons license, which the copyright holds and grant user right to use, study, and change its coding and distribute the software, its source code, to anyone for the any purpose. Open source software developed in a collaborative public manner for the general purpose public use. Number 4, closed source software is a software for which the source code is not freely available. It is developed and provided to the user as a fully compiled executable set of files. The developers often provide support to user after purchase and ensure that software work as the user expected. Closed source software is sometimes also referred as a commercial software or subscribed software or license based software. Number 5th, middleware software. Middleware software is a different application used to communicate with each other. It provides functionally to connect application intelligently and efficiently so that you can innovate faster. Here I conclude the episode number 114. In this episode, I discussed 3 points about the software. Number 1, what is software? How do you get the software? And number 3, what are the different categories of the software by their accessibility? So stay connected and I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.